Okay, so this is my old house. My mother-in-law and father-in-law bought it, and for the last lot of years, I've always wanted to change the gravel on the shoreline. It's supposed to be riprap, and there used to be railroad ties, and they started disintegrating. So now that they own it, we are putting riprap in. It's actually number one limestone is what we're using, but this is what we got done so far. That's 5 tons. And what we're using is the dump trailer up there. Um, and I'll post, this video will show where this is the first load right there, and that's 5 tons. We're a little shy right there, but basically what we're doing is backing up and dumping off some limestone right along it until we feel like we have a big enough hump made, and then we're moving the trailer over. You can see all the marks in the yard. Instead of renting an excavator or having an excavator, somebody come out with an excavator, we're just doing it this way. I'm thinking it's going to take somewhere around 80 tons. So 16 trips is what I'm expecting to the quarry, but we will see. This first load went a lot further than I thought. I'll try to get some video of us actually dumping it tomorrow and how we're doing. But this is just some ideas. If you have some lake property that you have erosion issues, I hope this video will help you. So you'll see how we do it tomorrow. Yeah. So here's day 2 of the shoreline. I know the sun's in your eye, in creating a glare, but we got another about 50 feet done, and it's coming along. Okay, so this is where we've gotten. The last clip you saw, we started this tailgate, we started chaining it at 10 lengths, and it saved a ton of gravel. Instead of the gravel shooting out into the lake, like you could see that pile there is way far out. We were able to kind of just get it to stack instead, so it made a huge difference. If we would have done that the whole way with the dump spread feature, we probably would have saved a whole load of gravel. Total, we have in this shoreline, it's 210 feet. We have 35 tons little over 35 tons of rock. And so this is where the steps used to be. So we were going to plan on changing the steps, and we just went and bought a precast set of concrete steps that are 32 inches high, and we are going to dig out so this will sit down in. We got some bucket forks for that Kubota we're going to try to lift it with. I don't know if it'll work or not. These steps are kind of heavy, but I think it'll work. So that's the game plan. And it comes with railings. So you'll see what it looks like, final product. But I just made this video to try to help someone that has a Shoreline, because I've been thinking about doing this for a long time and putting it off because I thought it was going to take, you know, $2,000 worth of rock. I figured I'd have 2,000 wrapped up in this. So for the rock, we have about $700, and like I said, we could have saved some of that had I used the dump spread feature on this tailgate instead. But all right, we're gonna get the the forks on the tractor and see what we got going here. This is about 2 months later. We finished the rock off, leveled it, made a straight line, at least the father-in-law did, and then we brought in some topsoil and planted grass around the steps. The steps turned out real well. The water's down about 6 inches right now, so normally it would be a little bit higher, but this is the finished product. There's about $1,800 in it. Maybe more in material, 1,800 in material and the steps and the railing. So that's not bad. And then up there we took out all the rocks, so it's all just gonna be grass to go up into it. But if you're thinking about doing a Shoreline, this is how we did it. Hopefully it'll help you, give you an idea of what we did. If this video helps you, please subscribe to my channel, because that helps me and I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.